Okay, so I don't have any stories in mind, and I'm overdue a video, so I'ma do something stupid! So I came across a video called Circletine. I don't know if you guys have seen that. It's pretty nuts. Basically, a couple of kids and their mum make a drink called Circletine, and it has milk, vinegar, and some sort of cocoa powder in it. And while I was watching it for the 100th time, I thought, what if I made my own Circletine? And that's exactly what I'm gonna do.
Have all of the ingredients here and a spoon and a mug. So let's get to this. Okay. Okay. Now for the milk. And now the special ingredient. The malt vinegar. It wasn't even malt vinegar in the video, it was just normal vinegar. I am such a strange individual. And now it is time to mix it together. What have I made? It looks like mud. I think this needs a bit more milk. I think I may have used up all the vinegar. So that's not going to be an option. And here we have a delicious chocolatey glass, well not glass but mug technically, of Circletine. I'm kind of scared to taste this. It's time to stop. Tastes like vinegary hot chocolate actually, but cold.
Well, that was the dumbest thing I've ever done. Anyway, please be sure to follow me on Patreon, and I shall see you in the next video. Goodbye!